Flabbergast. Flabbergast. To shock or surprise someone a lot. You'll be flabbergasted when you see your birthday gift. You'll be flabbergasted when you see your birthday gift. Tedious. Tedious. Very boring and repetitive. Folding clothes for hours is really tedious. Folding clothes for hours is really tedious. Pristine. Pristine. Very clean or fresh, in perfect condition. Her room is always pristine, not a thing out of place. Her room is always pristine, not a thing out of place. Meticulous. Meticulous. Very careful and detailed. She's meticulous when decorating her cakes. She's meticulous when decorating her cakes. Cumbersome. Cumbersome. Big, heavy, or difficult to handle. This old suitcase is too cumbersome to lift. This old suitcase is too cumbersome to lift. Diligent. Diligent. Hardworking and careful. She's a diligent student who studies every night. She's a diligent student who studies every night. Witty. Witty. Cleverly funny. Her witty jokes make everyone laugh. Her witty jokes make everyone laugh. Elated. Elated. Extremely happy and excited. The whole team was elated after winning. The whole team was elated after winning. Ambiguous. Ambiguous. Not clear, can have more than one meaning. The message was too ambiguous to understand. The message was too ambiguous to understand. Versatile. Versatile. Able to do many different things. This bag is versatile, you can use it for school or travel. This bag is versatile, you can use it for school or travel. Resilient. Resilient. Able to recover quickly after difficulty. After the storm, the town rebuilt strong and resilient. After the storm, the town rebuilt strong and resilient. Enthralled. Enthralled. Deeply interested or fascinated. The kids were enthralled by the magic show. The kids were enthralled by the magic show. Exquisite. Exquisite. Extremely beautiful or elegant. The wedding dress was absolutely exquisite. The wedding dress was absolutely exquisite.